Hi, it's Chris from Duffy Floors. We're back here on the Gloucester job and we're preparing all of the floors that we did. These hickory, which we've got 5-inch and 8-inch hickory, we're preparing them for the final coat. We're using a traffic satin HD finish, which is heavy duty and it's going to last a good long time. As you can see, we've got a great look here. It looks like a raw floor, just a freshly sanded floor without anything on it. We did the bleaching process with the white stain, and then we've gone over it with the water-based polyurethane. So this is Chris from Duffy Floors. If you've got any hardwood flooring needs that you need help with, if you've got anything interesting that you need done in your wood floors, any color matching, any patching, any installation, give us a call at 781-395-3418, or better yet, go on to my website at duffyfloors.com. This is Chris from Duffy.